Hello, this is my AirBNB in Daito, outside of Osaka. This is the view from the door. First, got the slippers. Okay, so then going back to look at the door, we've got little cabinets where you put your shoes. There's the door. And then we've got a little shelf thing here. And a place to put your clothes, so on. Okay, then it's just a one-room apartment, so we've got the bed, laundry hamper, TV way up there. Okay, this is the bathroom. Let's see, toilet. It does have a tub and a shower head, so that's good at least. So the whole room hopefully won't be wet. Some places are like that, but yeah. This is the sink going over into the tub. So the tub, I think, is deep enough you can sit in it, but it doesn't have one of those lid things over it to keep the water warm. So I've seen that in TV shows or something. There's that. Hello. Something broken up there. Okay, and then looks like not quite a whole roll of toilet paper, and that's it. Okay, so this is back out into the room. So there's the bed. There's a heater / air conditioner, a table with uncomfortable looking chairs, and here's the little kitchen with a tiny fridge, sink, that's an induction cooker, microwave, hot water kettle. I think it should have a ooh, excuse me. Okay, so we got some knives, some pots, some cleaning stuff. I thought I had a rice cooker too. Can't really reach these cabinets anyway, but let's see. I thought I did have a rice cooker. I'm gonna have to double check that. Okay, we got some little things. Well, and there's this way. Okay. Window is frosted, can't see out. Window is frosted. Well, okay. No wonder this was so cheap. My goodness.